Hello, cells. Thank you for listening. In this moment, while I have your attention, I want to express my gratitude for being partnered with you on this journey and let you know how loved and appreciated you are. Dear cells, at this time, I ask you to release any tension you may be holding and free yourself of all density that may have accumulated over time. Dear cells, I ask you to prompt me intuitively if there are any habitual changes that I need to make in order to support you, and please provide the energy I need to fulfill that change. Dear cells, I give you permission to use the energy resources you need to acquire a fifth dimensional vibrational state and maintain that conscious state. Dear cells, I give you permission to transform in a way that is comfortable for you, and I promise that I will honor the process and the timeline that you choose. So be it, and so it is.